Over-the-hosel design putters require the shaft to be installed over a hosel post. Some of these models can be shafted with a standard 370 tip steel putter shaft, while others require special flared tip style steel putter shaft. Be sure to identify the correct type of shaft to use for the style of putter. Using a hosel honing tool, clean out the inside of the shaft to be used. After using the hosel honing tool, take a cotton swab dipped in acetone and swab out the inside of the shaft tip. Abrade the surface of the stem on the putter head that will go inside the shaft. To do this, place the head in a vise using rubber vise pads. Using a 1 inch by 6 inch strip of medium or coarse grit sandpaper, rough up the stem. Care must be taken to prevent scratching the outer surface of the hosel below the stem. Masking tape can be applied over the hosel below the stem to help protect the hosel. After you've roughed up the stem, take a damp paper towel and wipe the stem to clean it of any residue. Test fit the shaft to the head. The shaft should slip over the stem and flush up with the top of the hosel, leaving no gaps. With the head on the shaft, place the head in the playing position. Measure for length using the 48-inch club ruler. Remove the head from the shaft and cut the shaft to the final playing length using the proper procedures. Mix the epoxy using the proper procedures. It is recommended that the Golfworks High Impact Epoxy, Tour Set Plus Epoxy, or Tour Set Epoxy be used. Apply the epoxy to the stem of the putter head. Be sure to get good coverage over the entire stem. Next, apply the epoxy on the inside of the tip end of the shaft. It is recommended to add a small amount of quick center by dipping the stem into the quick center. With the epoxy and the quick center applied to the stem, insert the stem into the shaft, rotating the shaft as the head is inserted. Be sure the shaft is flush up against the tip of the hosel. Using a paper towel damp with grip solvent or using epoxy-gone wipes, wipe the excess epoxy from around the top of the hosel and off of the shaft. To ensure the shaft is all the way onto the head, turn the club upside down and gently tap the butt of the shaft on a hard surface. Set the club aside with the head down in a secure place. After the appropriate time for curing is passed, check the head to be sure it is securely on the shaft. Install the grip using the proper procedures.